So we're gonna do a few things using your Excel as kind of a calculator. Sort of nice to be able to do some calculations like mean, standard deviation. When you've got a larger data set, becomes a little cumbersome using your calculator. So let's use Excel. So here I've got some data points, and what I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to calculate the mean. So I'll just click in some cell and I'll type equals average, left parenthesis, and now I'm going to highlight the data that I'm finding the average of. So I'm going to left click here at the top, drag down to the bottom, release it. So there I've got average A1 colon A20, which means find the average of those numbers between in those cells, right parenthesis, enter. There's my mean. That wasn't so bad. I'm going to right click, format the cell, and say this is a number with 1 decimal place. And there you have your average. Standard deviation, which really for bigger data sets is really a pain to calculate. So let's type in equals STDVE, which is standard deviation, left parenthesis, and same thing as we did with the mean. Let's highlight the top cell with the left click, drag down, let go of your left click. And now I've got standard deviation of A1 through A20, right parenthesis, enter, and there's my standard deviation. Again, I can right click, format the cells, hit the number with 1 decimal place. That wasn't so bad. Let's say median. I want to find the median of this data. I've got 20 data points. What I'm going to need to do first is I'm going to highlight, left click, and then drag down to the bottom, let up the left click, and then up here there's a menu that says data, and I'm going to pick sort, and it says sort by column A in ascending order. I'll click OK. Now my data are sorted in numerical order. 20 data points. Remember, for the median I'll pick the 2 middle ones when there's an even number of data points. The average of 39 and 40. And voila, I have my median.